Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at the Canon PIXMA TS5050. At the time of making this video, which is October 2020, picked this up from Amazon for £80. I'll leave a link in the description box below. The reason I went for this model because it has individual inks, and as you can see there, it uses the XL inks which last slightly longer. Advantage of having a printer that has individual inks, if one goes, I could just replace that one. My advice would be, if you are buying a printer, you don't have to buy this one, but do buy one that takes individual inks, because then you're not wasting money and just replacing inks that don't need replacing. This is a all-in-one system, as you can see at the top there. Mobile device printing, wireless print, copy and scan. In this video I'm gonna unbox it, see what it comes with, we'll set it up and do a demonstration. Okay, let me open the box. This is everything included. The power cable. You don't get a USB lead with this, so if you do want to use it wired by your PC or your laptop, you have to buy a USB cable separate. Some paperwork, well, a lot of paperwork actually. I think it'd be in different languages. Some more paperwork. This I wasn't going to open, but I opened it because you get a free paper there, sample to try. Some photo paper. A CD, which no one really uses a CD in this day and age, do they? The full 5 inks, the 3 colour ones and the 2 black and white ones to get you up and running. They say the starter kit, in my experience, these last you the same amount of time as the normal ones would. Onto the main printer, a bit of Canon branding there. The first thing I noticed about this printer is I love the size on it. It's nice and compact. My other one were really big. It's got a SD card slot there as well. You could take your SD card, put it in there and print your pictures directly. At the bottom, it's got your tray there, the paper tray, what you'd open. Of course, I do need to take the stickers off. That's the screen. I don't think it's a touch screen. Power on off, the home button, and then your navigation button, and your other ones, and your back button. Bit of branding there. At the top, that's where you'd put the paper to scan, of course. Just turn it around the back. Oh, actually, if I just open that, that's the paper tray. I like that feature because my old one had a paper tray at the front. This one's got it there, so close it like so. If I turn it around the back, that's where the power cord is, and why I'm trying to go back in there, I don't know if you'll be able to see it right at the back there. That's where the USB lead is, because I'm reading the reviews on Amazon and people are saying you can't find the USB lead. Has it got one? It does have one, and it's right at the back there. They've hidden it. Okay, what I'll do is I'll take the tape off everywhere and power it on, and then we'll put the inks in. I've connected it to the power. Let's turn it on. Language English, okay. Next. Agree. Select OK and start the setup. Move that up a bit, you can see the head there. The inks are really simple to put in. As you can see, if I just move that there. They've got colours there and they've got numbers. And that's M there. All you do is just take that off. Put that in. It only goes in one way. You'll hear a click and then that would light up to let you know it's in. The last one, as you can see. Processing, wait. There we go, it's showing how to load the paper. You can see it's got these things there to adjust what size paper you're putting in. Of course, I'm using the A4 paper. The paper's in. I've taken the tray out. Just press exit on that. Preparing for print head alignment. Okay. Okay. There you go. Did the patterns print correctly, yes or no? Which I can confirm they have, if I just pick that up. So, yes, they did. If I just dim that a bit, 1 second. Now I need to put the paper on this side. Place the paper with the printed pattern. Press OK. It's OK. It's complete. Press OK. Let's set it up now for Wi-Fi printing. Do you want to connect a computer or a smartphone? Yes. Because this has come up here, this text here saying the printer is performing initial adjustments. I have to finish the setup via my phone. I can't just press stop, which is this button here, and connect it to the internet via my router, or router as some of you call it. But I'm going to just let that stay as it is and carry on with the phone. You need to download the app, which is the Canon Print App. Click on that. Access to Bluetooth, okay. Agree. As you can see, it's processing on both sides. Easy wireless connect is complete, okay. You're all set. Now choose your favorite photo and try it out. Okay, just get an image actually. I've just gone into Google and screenshot this picture. So let's select it. Print. Okay. If I just move that forward, you can see the inks there, full. Look at the quality on that. I'm really pleased with that. And bear in mind, this paper is one of them cheap ones. I think I got 500 for about £4.50 from Asda. Okay, the last thing I want to do is I'll just copy this document here. Okay. While that's getting done, I just wanted to show you I have connected a USB lead there to print from my PC. There we go. Let me just move my tripod forward. Look at the quality on it. Let me just take the original one out. Could see the copied document there. The quality is really good. So that was a video on the Canon PIXMA TS5050. Link in the description box below if you're interested. Overall, I'm really happy with this printer. It does print out good quality prints. The colors are really good. That's what I like about the Canon printers. That's why I went for another Canon printer. The size of this is really good. Few things I don't like. Every time you need to print, you do need to pull these things out, and the quality on them doesn't feel as good as if I put this down. When you lift it up, I don't know if you can hear that. It's always in the back of my mind, will it break? I mean, I'm careful with it. It was older folk are careful. But this is a family printer and my kids will be using this as well. And kids, they just tend to not care, do they? So I don't know how long that will last. But you do get 12 months guarantee with this. So make sure to register with Canon. The other thing what you need to do all the time is when you put the paper in. So now when I remove the paper, because this doesn't have a paper tray, so I'll just leave it in here where the scan and copy documents go. I'll leave it there, and when you put the paper back in, you need to register the paper on. Besides that, for the price I got it for £80, it's decent because some other places had it and they had it on for about £130, and personally I think that's too much for a printer. Even £80 was pushing it a bit, but the reason I went for this one was because I wanted something as my older one, and even my old one, it was for £100 at the time. I bought it on sale for £50. It did the job perfect for 3 years. I hope this will last me 3 years or longer. Overall, it's a decent printer for the price. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.